playing crash cymbals. Now, there's probably 100 different ways to play crash cymbals well, so I'm going to teach you my way that I think is the easiest and most foolproof way to play crash cymbals. When cymbals are played in a marching setting, you'll oftentimes see a leather disc or a kind of a wool-looking disc that protects the hands for playing them for a long time. That's fine, but it cuts off a lot of sound, and for a concert setting, we really don't want to do that. We can't afford that. We want a really beautiful, high, rich sound with lots of overtones. So if you have those discs, take them off. Even those cymbals have a strap with a hole that it seems you should put your hand through and grab somehow. Try to avoid the temptation to do that. The strap is simply hanging off the side of the cymbal. You make a C with your hand, and with your index finger, put it right underneath the strap. Grab with the back fingers and thumb on top. We have a perfect cymbal grip with minimal contact to the cymbal. Again, we want the cymbals to ring as much as possible. I like to set up so that my non-dominant hand is in front of my belly, not totally horizontal, but with a slight angle down. Now with my dominant hand, for me my right hand, I'm going to put the right hand cymbal right over the left so that there's just a little bit of a lip between the bottom cymbal and the top cymbal to avoid a vacuum. To dampen the sound, simply pull those cymbals into your belly. So again, in the setup, left hand not exactly horizontal, but just slightly angled, right hand above, straight down, straight up with the right hand, cha-ching, top hits first, bottom hits second. So if you want to make the quality of sound just a little bit better, at the same time that the right hand is coming down, your left hand can be coming up just slightly so that the cymbals meet right in the middle. At the point of impact, I want as little touching the cymbals as possible, so you'll notice that it's almost like I'm throwing the cymbal away, but I don't let go with the back fingers. So for softer sounds, I keep the cymbals closer together. It's okay to let them sizzle together just briefly right when they impact. For larger sounds, I'll prepare just a little more. So no matter the size of the cymbals, the approach to playing is basically the same.